Hello, everyone. So today we're going to be going over what the Georgia Tech UIF Fall 20 cohort came up with for our campus here in Atlanta. Through Georgia Tech, we have access to Design Block, which is where all the current fellows are currently working for the school. This is a really cool program that's based off of some of the ideologies of the Stanford D School.
Our original design statement was to help professors trying to attain tenure get to that point by implementing design thinking practices to their research. And so, even with this in mind, we wanted to stay true to our design thinking practices because we are students and we don't even come close to understanding exactly what goes into the day-to-day of a professor, and specifically someone who's trying to attain tenure.
So our first step in empathy was to talk to professors at Georgia Tech from various levels at assistant and professor level, as well as from different departments to get a diversity of opinions and backgrounds. So we developed these personas to kind of encapsulate those ideas that we found. There's the academia-oriented professor who spends all their time focused on their specific expertise and really focuses on that research. There's an industry-oriented professor who basically will build up academic experience and expertise and then apply that to a very skilled position in industry. And then we have the cultural outsider who struggles to connect with the other professors on their campus, either in their department or just on the school as a whole. So we created this metaphor for overall academic career growth. When you have both components, you will have a larger magnitude of career growth than if you just focus on monodisciplinary work or multidisciplinary work.
So we came up with this project, the Faculty Learning Initiative, which leads us to redefining our design statement to how might we increase the career growth of Georgia Tech faculty by equipping them with design thinking to implement in both their research and teaching. And we have decided to approach that in three main different ways. The first is to create a faculty cohort, communities like student cohorts that span all across campus, and engage faculty in Design Block's design thinking workshop that already exists, and facilitate a cultural exchange of practices and ideas between the departments. And you guys can follow along with our project by following Design Block GT on Instagram, and we will be keeping you guys updated on the ongoings of that project on there as well.